What's going on, everyone? Hope you have a great day. So here I'm back on another video. I'm Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try on another new mineable coin, and this is also a crypto based gaming project. So this is about the Ursula. The Ursula is the main website, is the bigursula.com. I hope maybe this is a right pronunciation, but I'm just saying that. And this is a most amazing thing that you can get discovered and profitable trade and create your own terms. So this is the white paper and this is the main website, the Explorer, Tokenomics, some about of the Ursula, and this is the roadmap. So if you just scroll it down, here we can see that the great things are built in Ursula. The most amazing thing you can get, designed to meet the diverse and evolving needs of future gaming. So this is the Ursula game and this is the hub, and if I just scroll it again, the Ursula offers the ultimate immersive experience. So Ursula is not just a game for blockchain players, but it's a game that could introduce blockchain to millions of players. So Ursula cannot be seen as a game for blockchain players only. The game is aimed at a diverse gaming community that can easily join from regular platform. So we innovate new ways to connect engaging games with blockchain features. Ursula has the potential to attract millions of gamers and greater revenue opportunity. So more than about the gaming center, the Ursula hub, the quality or the high quality games through a user-friendly interface. So this is about the Ursula and the related things, so you can check it out all that. So if you want to mine Ursula, so I will be in here and make a flight sheet for you. First one, I will share the flight sheet on HiveOS, then I share on the Windows, so you can get both of this in this video. So explore about the Ursula, and here is some integrated gaming with blockchain, fast payment, decentralization, and the security purpose. Tokenomics is available. So unleash the beauty of Ursula with a utility coin at Ursa. So this is the short form, the Ursa or the URSA, and the full name is the Ursula or the URSULA. So the tokenomics about the rewards is 2500 Ursa, and the total supply, this is the total supply, and the masternode collateral is 2 lakh, and 40% is for the miners and 60% for the masternode. So they have also the masternode option, and you can mine also to get Ursa by the GPU mining, or you can get also by playing the Ursa. So this is about the roadmap, and here we can see that the 2024 Q1 is launched the mainnet build Ursula website, the GitHub community, social media, Explorer, and the algorithm wallet. So they have also the one wallet. This is also listed in the exchanges. So if I just go to the hashrate.no, here you can see that Ursula is now listed. However, the price is going down right now, but this is a new project I found today. So this is run on heavyhash algorithm, and if I just click on that, here we can see that this is the overclock setting, that the medium overclock setting that hashrate.no is provided. So they recommended that you can mine Ursa by the SRB Miner, and this is the core clock offset is 150, 15,000, sorry, the 1500 is for the locked core clock, and 810 for the memory clock, and 150 is for the power limit. So this is the revenue you can generate right now is 0.32, and the profitability is about 0.19. The revenue you can generate is 22 Ursa, and the hash rate is 280.23 megahash per second, and the efficiency is 5.19. The power reported it's about 54 watt. This is now listed on the ZEGX as a USDT and also a Litecoin. So if I just go to the ZEGX, here we can see that this is going to as a side moment, and if I just 4 hours chart, here we can see when it's listed it's about goes 0.05 cents, and right now it's going down and is just consolidate in the sideways. Right now the price it's about 0.01. so this is not a big difference, but this is the thing that you can see. This is the price right now is going on, I'm right now using in this video as a Zegek exchange wallet, and here you can see that this is my exchange wallet that I am going to use, but I am going to make a wallet for you as a Ursa own web wallet. So just this is not a web wallet, this is about just like the Nexa and some others. Just download the application and create your wallet. So this is the Windows wallet, but before this they have the community hub as a Discord, Twitter and Telegram, and also the GitHub. So this is about the Ursula Explorer, where you can find the masternode Explorer movement network and the other details, and also claim the address. And this is the GitHub, and here we can see that if I just go to the Twitter site, this is the Twitter handle that the @big Ursula _ is the world, and this is share some tweets in here. Right now is 207 followers, only a little bit follower is right now available. This is about Ursula, and if you just go to the Discord server, there you can get 1313 members is right now joined to their community sites. So you can also join by create your ID right now on the GitHub. Here you can see that I am going to use as a SRB Miner version 2.4.7, the latest version. So performance improvement on the algorithm as a ORM for AVX2 support. So this is for the CPU mining, and fixed broken ES power algorithm, and also the big thief for the Decrypt. So Decrypt crypto coin as they fix this broken algorithm, and also some GPU offset and the memory offset is for the Linux is going to fix, and some others is the bug fixes and the other related things is right now fixes. So I am going to use, this is the version is the SRB Miner multi is 2.4.7. this is for the WinZip. So just click on that. So I already downloaded in here, you can see, and if I just click on that, here we can see that the SRB Miner is downloaded, and also I extract it by just extract all in here, and this is the extract file. You can see that all the extract file is listed in here. So right now just go to the mining pool stats, and here we can see that I selected for the Ursula or the Ursa. This is run on heavyhash algorithm, and here we can see that the 10 mining pool different serverpool address is available, but I am going to choose in here as a rplant serverpool wherever is the Ursa is not listed as any mining pool server that the hashrate.no is recommended, but right now I'm going to choose as a rplant server pool. So just click on that and you can go on there. So select the Ursa from there on the left section, and you can get your miner and the details, the hashrate nodes, and the 12 node is right now connected. This is the others, the pool and the network and the other details is available. So just click on the connect button, and on there choose your miner. Right now the Wildrig miner and the SRB miner is available, but I'm going to choose the SRB miner in here. So this is I'm going to choose in here because this is a new coin. So on the HiveOS this is not listed, so that's why I choose as a custom miner and also the custom rig. This is for the SRB miner I am choosing in here, and for the operating system right now I am choosing the Windows version in here, and the nearest stratum I am choosing Asia Pacific, and uncheck the SSL version, check on the solo version. But if you are going to choose as a SSL version you can go for that, but I am going to choose as a solo version and uncheck the SSL version. So we need this stratum ID to create a batch file on Windows. So just move on to the SRB miner, but first one we need to create in HiveOS. So this is my I need to create a wallet in here. So just add your wallet and create the name as Ursa and paste my Zegek exchange wallet. So I just copy on that, and the wallet section I just paste in here and set the name as Ursa on Zegek's Ursula. Okay, create, and it's done. Now move on to the flight sheet, and I just refresh on that. So right now Casin hash is mining as a girler. So this is for the unmineable. I'm just holding some gala, and so that's why just one card is now mining as a gala and the second card is sideways. I just make this video, and also this is mining as the conflux in here. Here you can see right now I just recording, so that's why the hash rate is going to decreases right now in here. Here we can see that on the I selected ardent fish in here, so we need to create another batch file. Just copy and paste it in here, and here you can see that the start mining as a ardent fish, so I just change this name as a Ursa and save in here, and here you can see that the Ursa is right now available. So just edit on that, and here we can see that this is the batch file, so you need to just edit on that. In here you can see that the disable CPU is available. So if you are not get on this any of this batch files, so in here if you choose on the cooin hash, here we can see the disable CPU is not available. So just after the exe type dash dash and disable dash CPU. So this is done, but on the ardent fish there is already listed, so that's why I just don't type it in here. So right now on the algorithm we need to choose and change this algorithm. So just on the rplant serverpool in here you can see that the algorithm is the heavy hash, so just copy on that and just paste it in here. And now for the pool, copy in that and paste it in here. And now for the wallet, so I choose my wallet in here, copy and paste. So I make a wallet for the HiveOS, then I go to the Windows, so forget about that. So that's why I just make a flat sheet first one for the Windows. So right now all is done. Now save on that, and this is done. Now if you want to choose for the overclock setting, so you can just copy this overclock setting and paste it in here as a overclock setting. But right now I am not using the overclock setting in here because I'm going to choose as a MSI afterburner, but right now I'm not choosing any overclock setting on the direct batch file. So this is done for the Windows. Now go to the HiveOS, then I share the result in the later or the last section. So move on to the HiveOS. So I create a wallet in here. You can see in before I just scroll it down, and here we can see that the Ursa, this is for the Ursa. You can see that the Ursa, the wallet address and the name. And right now go to the flat sheet, so just type a name on the Ursa, select your wallet, pool configure in miner, select for the SRB miner and set the name as a Ursa test SRB miner. And now on the setup gamify, choose heavy hash, you can get it from there. On the wallet, choose on wallet worker name, and on the pool just copy this, paste it in here, and password you can choose as a extra or you can choose as a blank. And on the extra config argument you can choose disable CPU if you are not using or mining your CPU. For the overclock setting, I just copy this overclock setting that the hashrate.in is provided, press enter and paste it and delete the space, and it's done. So this is the overclock setting. It's about co-offset is 150, log co-clocks is 1500, memory clocks is 18, and the power limit is 150. Maybe this is a GPU power limit. Okay, I just copy it again and paste it in here. So right now this is good. Apply on changes and create the flat sheet. Now move on to the wallet as a Ursa main wallet. So this is the Windows wallet that I'm going to use. So just click on that, and here we can see that the wallet is downloaded. So show in folder and extract it in here. So it's done. Now we need to click on maybe this one. So double click on that, run anyway, and in here use the default data directory. Okay, and right now it's just opening up, so I just call it. Okay, so this is the theme and the light, so you can also choose as a dirt, but right now I'm choosing the light version. Okay, and font family is the same, I don't change anything, so just save it in here. Right now hide it on that, and it's done. Now for the receipt section, here we can see this is for the request payment or your ID that we need to create in here. Click on the request payment option, and and here you can see that this is address. So just copy your address on this section, or you can just copy it from there. So I just copy it in here. On the wallet section, I create another wallet in here. So Ursa wallet address, Ursa on wallet, create in here. So all is done. Now as a short update, it's about that first one, I create a wallet, you can see in here. So just I refresh again in here. Here we can see the Ursa is available. This is for the ZX exchange wallet, and this is for the own web wallet. And right now for the flight sheet, again just refresh in here, and here we can see that the Ursa is available. So just click on edit section, choose your coin, choose your wallet, pool configure in miner, select SRB Miner, set the name, and on the setup config file choose heavyhash. On the wallet section choose on wallet, worker name, and on the pool server go to the rplant server pool and select your miner, Windows or the Linux, your server, uncheck the SSL version and check on the solo version if you are going to mine as a solo version. If you are going to use as a SSL, then choose on the SSL version and uncheck the solo version. So I'm going to choose as a solo, so that's why I just click on the solo version and uncheck the SSL version. So in here we need to click and copy on this pool or the stratum ID, and on the flight sheet just paste on that. This is done. Password you can choose as a X or you can choose as a blank. Choose the disable CPU option if you are not mining the CPU, and for the overclock setting I am using the overclock setting or the medium overclock setting that the hashrate.ino is provided. Copy on that and paste it in here, apply on changes and create the flight sheet or update the flight sheet. So this is done for the HiveOS, and now move on to the Windows Miner. So just go on to the Windows Miner and just open up your miner, and in here just go to the properties, and on the compatibility run this program as an administrator, apply on changes and OK, and it's done. And now we just search for the Ursa, and here you can see that we find this Ursa. Just edit on that, and here you can see that this is the batch file is the srb-multi.exe space -- disable -cpu space -- algorithm space heavy hash and space again -- pool, and copy this stratum ID from there. Just a minute in here. So just copy the stratum ID and paste this in here, and then again space -- wallet space your wallet address, and this is done. And then again save, and all is done. So both are you get as a SRB Miner by the Windows Miner as a batch file, and also you get as a HiveOS flight sheet. So both you can get. Now move on to the live update, that what is the hash rate that you can generate. So on the hashrate.ino, here you can see that it's about 280 mega hash you can generate. So right now see that what is the hash rate that we can generate on HiveOS first one. So I just go to the worker, and on the flight sheet I just apply for the SRB Miner. So just rocket down in here, worker updated successfully, and here you can see this is my wallet stratum ID, and this is the extra config as a disable CPU and the overclock setting. So just wait a few minutes and let's see that what is the hash rate that we can get. Okay, so this is the live update. It's about Ursa mining that is now using the ZX exchange wallet, and I am using the custom pool, and this is the hash rate that it's about 239, and right now this is the power limit that you can see it's about 77 watt is consumed for my 3060 card. This is the overclock setting, and also that the hash rate it's about 280 megahash per second, which is not correct right now because this is just right now is starting, maybe it's increasing. Okay, so right now is 280 is increasing, and this is the same hash rate that the hashrate.ino is recommended, that 280.23 mega hash. On the power consumption it's about 54 watt is reported on the hashrate.ino, but in here it's 77 watt is consumed that for my 3060 card. So this is the live update for the Ursa mining on HiveOS. Now move on to the Windows Miner. Let's see that what is the hash rate that I can generate on Windows mining, and maybe it's work or not. Okay, so I just close down my wallet in here. So Ursa is shutting down. Right now I just shut down my conflux mining in here. So this is done. Now for the Ursa mining, let's see that how it's working or not. Run as an administrator. Maybe it's work. Detecting GPU. No suitable GPU device is found. Press any key. So maybe it's not work. I just reset my overclock setting for the MSI afterburner overclock setting, and again go to the Ursa, double click on that and run anyway. Click on yes. Maybe right now it's detecting the GPU. Press any key. Okay, so it's shut down. Maybe I don't know how it's going on, but I just failed. Maybe this is for my Windows setup, but right now Ursa is not running on my Windows, so that's why I didn't show the actual result. So this is the correct you can apply on there on your batch file. Maybe it's work, but I don't know what is going on. Let's see again on that. It's about this is not connecting, so I just failed to show you the result about the Windows mining. Maybe this is for my setting because Windows is shutting down, so that's why I just changes some things on my PC, so that's why maybe this is not work. But maybe another thing, I just uncheck this apply okay in here, and right now if I just double click on that, detecting GPUs, no suitable GPU is found, but 3060 is installed on my PC. Maybe create another in here, run anyway. So choose my wallet again in here and edit on that. Choose my wallet in there, paste it in here, and on the pool I'm choosing this one, copy, paste it in here. Resolve CPU algorithm is the heavyhash, and it's done. Okay, now this is for the console, but I just save it on the same name, and on the console is right now in here. So let's see that it's working or not, otherwise I don't take any other option. So just close it down, and on the console maybe this is the one. Okay, heavy hash, run as an administrator. This is not found. I don't know why, but this is a issue is going on, so that's why I just not show you up the result. So this is the overall thing about the HiveOS setup, but if I get the result I will share as the short video, so you can just check it out on there that if it's working or not. And if it's not working, I will also share the result about the Windows mining as a short video. So this is the overall update about Ursula or the Ursa mining. So this is a gaming project, so if you are going to play as a Ursula and can make some coins by the playing game, so you can join on their website and play the game. And if you want to mine by the masternode and also for by the GPU mining, so you can also get it and earn some Ursula or the Ursa, the gaming project or the crypto coin by this. So this is the overall update, and here is a lots of videos available on there, and right now it's on the hashrate.ino. Here you can see that the lots of coins is right now is increasing the profitability. So this is the right time that you can start mining, because also the price is increasing, so that's why the profitability is also increasing. And right now the conflux and the radian as a dual coin mining is going to be the best, because this is give you the maximum profitability. But right now I'm not using any dual coin or the triple coin mining, because right now I'm mining some Gala by the HiveOS to choose as a person has. So this is the one card is mining Gala, and the other I'm mining the conflux. Here you can see that the conflux as a single coin mining is give you the revenue per 3060 card is 0.49, and the profitability is 0.17 after the 24 hours. So this is the right now I'm doing. So let me know in the comment section that what are you doing right now and which coin you are mining right now. So this is the overall things in this video, and if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and there is a lots of videos available on there. So choose any of this video, and if you think also this video is going to helpful for you, so share this video to your family and friends, and also know your thoughts in the comment section. So right now I just wrap up this video. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.